Hello everyone and welcome back. So I'm coming at you today with a super quick Michael's clearance haul. So I'm going to be honest with you guys, I didn't really quote unquote need anything more for Halloween for this year. But you know what, there's always next year, and for 80% off, I couldn't say no. So drop a like, don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this Michael's Halloween clearance haul. So one of the first things that I picked up in Michael's was these awesome DIY pumpkins. Yes, this one is one of the officially licensed teal pumpkins, as you can see. So I thought this little black one here was so cute and would be perfect for a DIY. We also picked up this shape right here. If you guys haven't seen the videos, Michael's has some awesome DIY pumpkin videos on YouTube this year. You can do like donut pumpkins, dinosaur pumpkins. So that is what this blue pumpkin is for. My son wants to make a dinosaur pumpkin, so we are gonna do that. That is also why we got this foam. Now, when I was in the kids section to get the foam and the felt and stuff for the DIY pumpkins, I found something new that I have never seen before, and I really wanted to show you guys. So this is basically like a tape roll or a sticker roll, but it's all eyes. They are all different eyes. You guys, I have never seen anything like this. And as a crafter, like you guys know, like this is just something awesome. Like I could never imagine to just have a roll of eyes on hand. Like I have literally spent money on kits just for the eyes that come with them. So when I saw these, I totally freaked out. So I did get the plain black ones, and then I did get the colored ones as well. These are in the kids section with the Creatology products. So, like I was saying in the beginning of the video, all of the Halloween stuff is now on clearance at Michael's. Well, it's not technically labeled as clearance, but you know what? It's 60% off, plus I had a coupon for an additional 20 off. That's 80 off. I call that clearance. So I did pick up 2 of these awesome little bags of glittery balls, and I'm so excited about them because I had no idea where people were getting them, and I was seeing them in Happy Mail, and I was actually sent some little tiny gold ones in Happy Mail, and they are just so fun and cute to use as confetti and scatter. So they were priced at $6.99, but I did get them for 80% off, which is awesome. I also grabbed this bag right here. Now this bag does have some bigger ones, so you could definitely use these for other projects as well. And then this bag also does come with 3 of the purple glitter spiders, which would be totally perfect for adding as embellishments as well. Now, one thing I'm gonna give you guys a heads up on, all of the Christmas stuff is now out at Michael's. Some of the Christmas sales have actually already started, and I did see some beautiful Christmas mixes of these glittery balls. So one of the other things I picked up because it was on clearance was this Halloween shred. Now I already do have that shred over there, and as you can see, it is a mix of black, orange, green, and purple, and I really like that mix better. There was none of that mix left, but you know what? For 80% off, I was not going to say no to this. $5.49, so what did I pay, like $1 something, $2? I thought that was a great deal, so I did pick that up as well. So the next section I hit up was the party section and the paper crafting section, and actually because it was all slashed down and on clearance, they actually kind of had it all mixed together. Now I didn't get a ton of stuff because if you guys have seen my recent Michael's hauls, I already pretty much bought everything they have almost, but anything I didn't buy that I did still want, I was pretty much able to get on this trip. So I was able to get a pack of these adorable candy corns. I am really glad that I did get the bones when I did, because there was none of the bones left. But they did have these really cute candy corns. I was hoping to maybe get sent some from Hobby Lobby from the States. And then when I found these, I was so excited because I could buy my own, and they are so cute and adorable. They are a little bit big, but you know, they are glittery and super cute for embellishments, so I did get those. I also got these 2 sets of paper plates. Now, this is actually a set that I have had in and out of my cart at Michael's a few times this year and just put back because I really didn't need it, couldn't justify it, was already buying too much. But you know what? 80% off, I could definitely justify it. And I want to do like some kind of a like loaded hoop type of thing with that for next Halloween, so I did get those. I also couldn't pass these ones up. That little spider is just so adorable, and once again 80% off. And again with the little loaded hoop type of thing, I thought that was a super cute idea. So I also did find this one last lonely bag of skulls, and I thought that these would be really cute to spray paint in all different pastel colors and use them for next year's Pastel-Halloween, and also just for pastel goth decor all year round. I mean, like, come on, pastel goth is awesome. So like I said, there was still some paper crafting stuff left. Not lots that I was interested in because I didn't really like their paper crafting selections or collections, I should say, from this year. However, I did find this really cool holographic candy corn washi tape, and I love candy corns, so I'm not sure how I overlooked this on my prior visits, unless I purposely overlooked it because of that ridiculous Canadian price. Can we show you guys? Oh yeah, ridiculous. But like I said, 80% off, so I definitely threw that in my cart. I also already bought most of all the different stickers from Michael's this year. If you would like to see my awesome and amazing epic Michael's stickers, Halloween stickers hauls, I will link those in the description box below. But I did find this set, which I did not notice on my prior visits. There was only one left, or I would have got more. As you can see, the Canadian price is $3.79, but I did get 80% off. So someone who is good as I swear I can talk, guys. I swear. Someone who is good at math, please tell me what that works out to, because I think it's really good, and I'll feel really good if I know it was less than $1. I also got these ones right here, which I did not notice on my previous visits, and they, again, are super cute. Look at those little cauldrons, the little treat bags. I love them. $5.99 with the 80% off. So I did get those, and I was finally able to justify grabbing these holographic Halloween stickers. I did want these on a few prior visits, but once again, we're in the Twilight Zone at $7.49 for a pack of stickers. And honestly, I'm really not into the ones in the back, so I am probably going to be gifting those in my Halloween swaps for next year. But yeah, I really wanted these holographic ones for my card making, so I did grab those. So the last section that we visited was the kids craft section, where I did pick up a few things for my son and a few things for the trick-or-treaters as well. Now I can't show you everything because me and my son have already used a few of the kits that we bought. Maybe I will share what we made in a future video. However, my son did pick this out. This is a pumpkin decorating kit, so basically you can stick these face stickers onto a pumpkin and not have to carve it. I am assuming that it is glow in the dark, the foam that it comes with, and for some reason it says it takes 15 minutes, and I know it would take us like 2. But anyway, yeah, he thought that would be neat, so we did pick that up. We also got this kit right here. Now, I'll be honest with you, my main reason for getting this kit was only because I really needed Halloween straws to make that wand right over there, and I could not find Halloween straws anywhere. This was a kit that is supposed to make some kind of glider, and you stick the straw in there and blow. You guys, they do not work. Do not buy them. It is just absolutely ridiculous. So we also picked up these eyes right here. You can stick these onto t-shirts, onto headbands, like for Halloween costumes. You can stick them onto your pumpkin. You can use them for crafting. Anyway, my son thought they were cool, so he grabbed those. We did get this big bag of stickers for the trick-or-treaters treat bags because we couldn't find any of the treat bag stuff. It was all hidden in the front. So at first this was all we could find, but I thought that these stickers were cute, and it comes with a whole ton, $10.99, 80% off. I thought that was a good deal, so we did get those. And then the last few things I have to share are some of the little treats that I got for the trick-or-treaters. So I did get them these spider rings over here, and I'm not sure if they light up or if they just have gems on them. I think they just have gems on them, but that comes with 16 pieces. I also did get 2 packs of these pens right here. These come with 10 pieces each, and they are in the same designs as the pencils. So I'll put them closer up so you guys can see them. They actually are really cute. See the black cat one right there. And these are the pencils, which I did show in one of my last videos. So my son does have 28 kids in his class, so I have like exactly 28 between the pens and pencils. So I also did get a pack of these. There was only 1 pack left, so they're $5. I did get them 80% off. And, you know, just a cute little thing to throw into the treat bag. Honestly, I don't know how much they'll use them, but I think it'll be fun just to receive it. So I did get those. And then last but not least, this pack of erasers. It came with 20 pieces. I'm kind of wishing I had got 2 because they would be kind of cute for Happy Meal too, now that I think about it. And yeah, they just come with all these different little Halloween erasers, and they are super cute. So I thought the trick-or-treaters might get a kick out of those too. Okay guys, so that seems to be everything for this week's Michael's clearance haul. Oh yeah, other than these 2 ribbons, which I did randomly pick up, I have really been enjoying this type of ribbon. It is really cheap. It costs 99 cents in Canada, so I bet in the States it's like 30 cents or 50 cents. And as you guys can see, that is some of it right there that I've twirled around that bag, and I have just been loving it. But anyway, yeah, I did randomly pick up those ribbons, and yeah, other than that, that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up because it really helps my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now, Miss Eddie Blue. I did get one of those. We also picked up this little black pumpkin right here because, ooh, there it goes. And I thought that would make a super cute DIY.